To access Spectrum TV on your Roku device, you'll need to meet a few basic requirements first. Let's walk through the complete setup process, step by step. It's important to note that your Roku device must be connected to the same home internet network that's associated with your Spectrum account. The app is designed specifically for in-home use only. Now let's access the Roku channel store. Using your Roku remote, navigate to the home screen and select the Channel Store option. You'll see an interface similar to this one. In the Channel Store, use the search function to look for Spectrum TV. Once you find the app, select it and choose the download option to install it on your Roku device. After the app is installed, launch it from your Roku home screen. You'll be presented with a sign-in screen like this one. Enter your Spectrum username and password to access your account. If you don't have a Spectrum username and password yet, don't worry. You can easily create one by visiting the Spectrum website or selecting the Create Username option shown on the sign-in screen. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll have access to all your Spectrum TV content. You can watch live TV, browse the channel guide, and explore thousands of on-demand shows and movies. If you encounter any issues during setup or while using the app, make sure your Spectrum TV app is updated to the latest version. While there have been occasional contract disputes in the past, the app is currently available and working properly on Roku devices. Once you're logged into the Spectrum TV app on Roku, you'll discover a comprehensive entertainment platform with multiple features designed to enhance your viewing experience. The Live TV feature gives you access to up to 250 channels, depending on your Spectrum subscription package. The channel guide makes it easy to see what's currently airing and what's coming up next. The channel guide also provides preview windows, allowing you to see what's playing on a channel before switching to it. This helps you make informed viewing decisions quickly. Personalize your viewing experience by setting favorite channels to create a custom channel guide. You can also filter live TV by category and sort channels to find content more easily. Parental controls are available to manage what content is accessible in your household. You can set ratings restrictions and control access to specific types of programming. If you experience lagging or navigation issues, first ensure your internet connection is stable. Some users have reported problems with app updates affecting functionality, such as fast forward and rewind features. It's important to note that the Send to TV feature, which allows controlling your cable box from the app, is not available on Roku. However, the app still provides access to up to 250 live TV channels, though availability may vary based on your specific Spectrum subscription package. The Spectrum TV app serves as a cost-effective alternative to traditional cable boxes, aligning with the growing trend of streaming over conventional cable services. This modern approach offers flexibility and convenience for today's viewers.